Today we will see the last part of alphabetic letters, uppercase and lowercase with their proper formations as well as the phonetic sounds of each and every alphabet. So shall we start, children? The last 6 alphabets. See. U. U. U is a necklace. So U is a neck kind, you can say. U is a neck kind. Use this sketch pen. U. Uppercase, lowercase also small. U. A necklace kind U. Go up and come down. U. V. Next alphabet is V. Slant, come down, slant, go up. Small lowercase, that's V, small v. Slant, come down, slant, go up. V. W. Next alphabet is W. Similar to V. Slant, come down, go up, slant, come down, slant, go up, slant. Okay, we will revise once again. Come down slant, go up slant, come down slant and go up slant. Again, small w. Come down slant, go up slant, come down slant, go up slant. Then X. Next alphabet is X. Slant. From upper side, you should come towards down, slant. Then from here, slant. X. Small x is also similar to uppercase X. Then Y. Y. Slant, half slant. Go up in a slant and come down slant. Come down slant. Similarly, for lowercase y, slant. Go up slant and come down slant. Y. The last alphabet is Z. Last alphabet is Z. Sleeping line, a slant and sleeping line. Sleeping line, slant, slant, sleeping line, Z. Lowercase letter Z, sleeping line, slant, sleeping line, Z. Today we have seen U. U says A. U says A. V says V. V says V. W says V. W says V. X says S. X says S. Y says E. Y says E. Z says Z. Z says Z. In our next videos, we will see in depth of each and every phonic sounds of the entire alphabets. Till then, thank you children. We will see in our next video.